Hello my people, you are watching RKB 96 and I hope you all good. Today we are going to do balloon expanding experiment. To do this balloon expanding experiment we need two balloons and one candle and one cup, two glass and balloon hanger and one matchbox. My set is ready. I am keeping the burning candle between these two balloons and keep it closer to the burning candle. Keep it closer so that balloon can get maximum heat from this burning candle, and then the balloon will expand until it bursts. So let's see what happened. Wait some time and see what happened. Finally, we are at the end of this experiment, and now you can see that my both balloon expand fully. It took 2 hours, and I lost two candles, this one and this one. This one is the first one, and this one is the second one. And I will keep the reason in my description box. Go to description box and check it. What is the reason and why both balloon get gradually expand by the heat. So bye and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice time.